For all of you Gijinka cosplay fans out there, this one's for you. Today I'm going to be doing a cosplay makeup tutorial, but for a Jigglypuff from Pokemon cosplay. So let's go ahead and just jump right on into it. Hello, it's me. And for Jigglypuff, we're gonna go ahead and start with, in the inner corner of our eye to most of the base of our eye, this very light pink eyeshadow. And then after that, in the outer corners, I'm using a light pink with some sparkle to it, and then blending, of course, for our eyeshadows. To finish off the eyeshadow look, though, we also are using like a sparkly white, and I'm just kind of dabbing it into the corner of my eye so it's really bold. Then I'm using like a pink highlighter to highlight my cheekbones and everything else that I want to highlight. I like doing my cupid's bow and my nose sometimes as well. Jigglypuff is all pink, so we obviously also need a bright pink blush that we're going to apply to our cheeks as well. For the eyeliner, I am drawing lines on the top of my eyelids, but also on that bottom eyelid as well. There's a reason behind this, because like Jigglypuff does have like the black round circle around their eye, and with all the marker stuff they do, so then I have the wing come from that top liner and connect with the top liner, so that's why I did it around my whole eye, and then I create my kind of normal eyeliner wing. The last step to complete this look is a nice bright pink lip gloss. I went for a glossy look. You could also do matte as well, but it has to be bright pink, of course, for Jigglypuff. If you like seeing this makeup look and want to see it with its cosplays, make sure to check the link in the description, and make sure to sub to see who I'm cosplaying next and how I do their makeup as well. Okay, bye-bye!